Are you stressed out, stuck in bad thoughts, or having a hard time finding peace within? Great warrior Miyamoto Musashi thought that real strength comes from controlling your mind and heart. Using Musashi's knowledge to help you get back in control, find inner peace, and become stronger, this video will show you 6 mindful ways to calm your mind and heal your heart. Step 1. Embrace silence and solitude. Are you surrounded by noise, things that distract you, and thoughts that just won't stop? These days, it's hard to find silence, and people often mistake stillness for loneliness. But the famous ninja Miyamoto Musashi knew the deep power of silence and how important it was to be alone in order to master oneself. He lived alone for a lot of his life and got better at being a fighter, a thinker, and a philosopher. He knew that being still was the only way to grow real knowledge and emotional strength. The mind can calm down in silence. Imagine a pond with water that ripples. When the water is stirred up, it makes it hard to see. But when the water stops moving, you can see everything below the surface. The same goes for your mind. You lose your inner clarity when you're constantly surrounded by noise, like social media, endless talks, or other outside distractions. To become deeply self-aware, you need to be quiet. The opposite of solitude is being able to be alone without being lonely. You really meet yourself when you're by yourself. A lot of people are scared of being alone because they think bad things will happen. They look for things to do to avoid dealing with their feelings. But Musashi taught that a fighter should be able to handle being alone because that's when one grows stronger on the inside. If you can't be alone with yourself, how can you be sure of yourself in public? Set aside time every day to be alone if you want to enjoy silence and quiet. Leave your phone and other things that might be distracting you behind and sit still. Allow yourself to feel the power of being present, whether it's through a walk in the woods, meditation, or just sitting still. At first, your mind might fight back. Your mind may be racing. But after some practice, you'll learn to enjoy the peace that silence brings. Think little of yourself and much of the world, Musashi said one time. To see life clearly, this means separating from yourself and the noise around you. You gain control over your mind, emotions, and eventually your fate when you accept silence and solitude. Step 2. Use the power of visualization. In the past, fighters, athletes, and visionaries have all used visualization as a way to focus. Musashi was known to picture fights in his mind before he fought. He knew that the mind had to believe in success before the body could gain it. For emotional healing, the same rule holds. Your thoughts can change the way things are in your life. When you keep thinking about painful events, you make them worse. However, if you picture peace, power, and healing, your mind will start to align with that picture. One way to work on this is to close your eyes and picture yourself in a calm place. Think of being in a quiet forest, on top of a mountain, or by the water. Enjoy the peace of that moment by smelling the air and hearing the sounds. Your nervous system reacts as if you were really there the more clearly you picture it. Visualizing yourself as a warrior overcoming hardship is another strong way to focus your mind. Picture yourself being strong, brave, and able to bounce back from anything. Picture yourself letting go of the pain and looking forward to a strong and clear future. Musashi thought that the body and mind should work together. Visualization helps you align your ideas with the future you want. Visualization is not a way to escape reality. It's a way to make your mind better. They worked out their minds just as much as they worked out their bodies. You become more and more like the person you picture yourself as calm, healthy, and strong. To stay in a calm and positive state of mind, do this method every day. Step 3. Practice letting go rituals. One of the hardest skills to learn, but also one of the most important, is how to let go. Many of the time, we let regrets, heartbreaks, and failures from the past bring us down. The famous warrior Miyamoto Musashi, on the other hand, taught that being attached to anything, emotions, things, or even life itself, only causes pain. Being able to let go of things that don't serve us anymore is what makes us truly strong. Musashi wrote about the idea of non-attachment in his book, which means The Way of Walking Alone. He thought that a fighter shouldn't hold on to the past, whether it was good or bad. Instead, people need to learn how to change, move forward, and stay in the moment. This way of thinking can help you win battles and heal emotionally. It gets worse the longer we hold on to pain, but as soon as we let go of it, we're free. Rituals with meaning are a strong way to work on letting go. Rituals have a deep effect on our thoughts because they help us feel complete. Based on Musashi's ideas, here are some methods that can help you let go. You should write down all the things that are bothering you, like painful memories, regrets, fears, or insults. Then burn the papers safely while setting the goal to let go of those feelings. Seeing the words turn into ash is a way to represent letting go. If fire doesn't speak to you, try writing your thoughts down on paper and putting in water. Drip the paper into little pieces and let them run away in a stream. This will help the ink remove. This stands for mental and physical cleansing. Take a big breath and close your eyes. As you breathe in, picture collecting all of your pain. As you let out your breath, picture it leaving your body like smoke, floating away into the air. Do it again and again until you feel better. Forgetting is not the same as letting go. Letting go means accepting, learning, and choosing peace over pain. Musashi taught that a warrior's mind should be free, clear, and able to move forward. It's also true for you. Let go of the past and move into a strong and peaceful future. Step 4. Engage in creative expression. Making things is a great way to clear your mind and heal your heart. When your feelings get too much, letting them out through art, music, writing, or any other creative outlet can help you relax and turn your pain into something useful. It is said that Miyamoto Musashi was a famous swordsman. He was also a great artist, poet, and calligrapher. He knew that being creative wasn't something different from being disciplined. It was an important part of mastering the mind. Musashi thought there was a strong link between the way of the sword and the way of art. He was just as careful and precise when writing calligraphy as he was when fighting. Each touch of the brush, like each swing of the sword, needed full focus and presence. This idea works for all kinds of artistic expression. When you give it your all, you become fully present in the moment, which calms your mind and heals your heart. Emotions build up like a wall about to break when they are pushed down. Let those feelings out in a safe and healthy way by being creative. Writing in a book, making music, drawing, or even dancing can help you say what you're feeling when words just won't work. Making something is helpful because it takes your mind off of pain and puts it on expression, from suffering to change. A lot of people don't do artistic things because they think they're not good enough at them. But Musashi's ideas teach us that growth and self-expression are more important than perfection. A fighter doesn't train to show off to other people. He trains to get better at himself. In the same way, you don't make art to get praise. You make it to connect with your soul. Pick an artistic outlet that speaks to you to work on this. It could be something as easy as doodling, playing an instrument, writing poems, or even cooking while being aware of your thoughts. The method, not the result, is what's important. When you do something artistic, you get into a flow state where your worries go away and peace takes over. We can learn from Musashi's life that success isn't just about being strong. It's also about being balanced. Making art is a way to connect your mind and heart, work through your feelings, get clear, and create inner peace. Step 5. Immerse yourself in a mindful activity. Our thoughts are always being pulled in different directions because the world is full of things that can distract us. We rarely pay attention to one thing at a time because we hop from one job to another and scroll through social media. This constant mental confusion makes people feel stressed, anxious, and emotionally worn out. The famous warrior Miyamoto Musashi knew how important it was to concentrate completely. He thought that a fighter had to be fully present when doing anything, like drawing a sword, writing a poem, or cooking. To heal your heart and calm your mind, you need to learn how to do something mindfully. In this case, you should give something your full attention and not think about the past or the future. Being mindful gets you to the present, which is where real peace is. Doing normal things is one of the easiest ways to learn mindfulness. Pay full attention to everything you do, whether it's having tea, walking in the woods, or even washing dishes. Feel the teacup's warmth in your hands. Pay attention to the beat of your steps, or feel the water on a dish as you clean it. When you give your full attention to the task at hand, your mind slows down and you feel calm. Musashi often talked about how important it is to give everything you do your all. He said that a fighter needs to work on their mind as well as their body. This lesson can be used in every part of life. Give it your full attention whether you are working on a project, learning a skill, or just spending time with people you care about. Find something that needs you to focus if you have trouble with overthinking or emotional problems. As a way to meditate, you can paint, play an instrument, do martial arts, or even plant. To get lost in the process is important. This will help your heart heal and your mind calm down. By doing thoughtful things all day, you make time for quiet moments during the day. Over time, this practice will help you calm and focus your mind, making it stronger and better able to handle the tasks of life. Step 6. Use affirmations to rewire your mindset. Miyamoto Musashi knew that the mind is the most powerful tool. Warriors are only as strong as the things they believe in. The body will weaken if the mind is weak. But if you train your mind well and don't let fear stop you, then nothing can stop you. This is why affirmations, whether you say them out loud or think them, can change your world. Affirmations are more than just words. They tell your inner mind what to do. When you tell yourself something over and over, your brain starts to believe it. Your mind will believe that you are not good enough or that you will never heal if you say them over and over again. Instead, think, I am strong and capable, or I choose peace and healing. This will start to change how you feel inside. Musashi thought that organized thought could make things happen. You must understand that there is more than one way to get to the top of the mountain, he said one time. In other words, your current problems don't make you who you are. You are always able to pick a different path, one that is strong, wise, and peaceful. It helps to use affirmations to get there. For promises to work, you need to believe what you say, not just what you say. Believe everything that is said. Every day, ideally in the morning and before bed, say your mantras over and over again. Writing statements down in a journal makes them more powerful. Think about being calm and at peace when you say, I am calm and at peace. Thoughts that will heal your heart and calm your mind. I let go of the past and welcome the present. I am in charge of my feelings and thoughts. Every breath I take makes me feel calm and clear. I deserve to be healed, loved, and at peace with myself. You can change the way you think, make your spirit stronger, and find the peace you're looking for by practicing affirmations regularly, just like Musashi trained with his sword.